gratifying to state that for the 2025 awards, recognitions, honors, and awards will be in three main categories as listed below. Main competitive awards category, sectoral leadership awards, the market excellence awards, and the overall highest award, the pearl of the Nigerian stock market. 2, honorary awards category, the pearl chief executive of the year award. 3, special recognitions award category, the good corporate governance award. The 2025 awards night promises to be outstandingly grand and glamorous beyond standards set in past editions. To this end, I'm pleased to announce that the Awards Board of Governors has graciously approved that the second in the series of the Pearl Lifetime Achievement Award be presented at this grand event. The first in the series of the awards was conferred on the founder chairman Dangote Industries Group, Haji Aliko Dangote, at our 25th anniversary edition in the year 2020. Equally, the board has approved that in commemoration of the 30th anniversary, 2 new awards dedicated to promotion of excellence in the public sector be introduced, namely the Pearl Excellence in Public Governance Award and the Pearl Excellence in Public Service Award. The deserving recipients of these most prestigious awards will be announced in due course by the Awards Board of Governors. The 30th anniversary awards event is being packaged with special features and innovations where captains of commerce and industry and major stakeholders of our economy will savor the joy of rewarding excellent operational performance of quoted companies and other capital market players in Nigeria. The nominees and ultimate award winners in the main competitive categories, as in past years, were determined utilizing 10 performance indices, namely turnover growth, earnings yield, return on equity, return on assets, share price appreciation, current ratio, dividend yield, net asset ratio, dividend growth, and profit margin ratio. Similarly, like in previous editions, in order to ensure fairness and objectivity in our assessment, the Research and Collation Subcommittee of the awards sought the required data from the annual auditing reports of quoted companies duly filed with the Nigerian Exchange Limited and the NGX Daily Official List for the year under consideration. The report of the Research and Collation Subcommittee was reviewed, verified, and thereafter endorsed by the board's technical committee, headed by past Director General of the Securities and Exchange Commission, Mr. Wale Adetunji, which was subsequently presented to the full board for consideration and approval. As indicated above, the 2025 Pearl Awards category has 3 subcategories, namely the Sectoral Leadership Award, which rewards a company for outperforming other companies within the same sector, based on aggregate points garnered from all the 10 indices utilized for ranking. The Market Excellence Awards, which is based on recognition of the entire market leadership in respect of each of the ranking indices, while the third subcategory is the overall highest award, the Pearl. Distinguished partners in the media, I now have the honor and privilege to inform you that having examined the reports of Research and Collation Committee of the Awards Central Working Committee, reviewed and endorsed by the Technical Committee of the Board, the Pearl Awards Board of Governors has today considered and finally approved the nominations and award reports for the 2025 Pearl Awards. In line with our usual practice, on behalf of the Board, I'm pleased to announce the nominees for the 2025 Pearl Awards in no particular order. Sectoral Leadership Awards, Agriculture Sector. The nominees are Livestock Feeds PLC, Okomu Oil Palm PLC, and Presco PLC. Conglomerates, Custodian Investment PLC, Transnational Corporation PLC, and John Holt PLC. Consumer Goods Breweries, Champions Breweries PLC, International Breweries PLC, Nigeria Breweries PLC. Consumer Goods, Foods, Production and Beverages, Honeywell Flour Mills PLC, Nascon Allied Industries PLC, and Boafi Foods PLC. Financial Services, other financial institutions, Nigerian Exchange Group, FBN Holdings, United Capital PLC. Consumer Goods, Household Products, Vitafoam Nigeria PLC, Unilever Nigeria PLC, PZ Cussons Nigeria PLC. Financial Services, Banking, Guaranteed Trust Holdings Co. PLC, Wema Bank PLC, Zenith Bank PLC. Services, Printing and Publishing, Academy Press PLC, Learn Africa PLC, Universal Press PLC. Financial Services, Insurance, Cornerstone Insurance PLC, Consolidated Allmark Insurance PLC, NEM Insurance PLC. Healthcare, Pharmaceuticals, May and Baker PLC, Fitsin Healthcare PLC, Nemeth International Pharmaceuticals PLC. ICT Computers and Services, NCR PLC, Omatech Ventures PLC, CWG PLC. Financial Services, Mortgage Companies, Abe Mortgage Bank PLC, ASO Savings and Loans PLC, Infinity Trust Mortgage Bank PLC, Real Estate Investment Trust, UPDC Real Estate Investment Trust, SFS Real Estate Investment Trust, UH Real Estate Investment Trust. Oil and Gas, Petroleum Products, Seplat Energy PLC, Total Energies Marketing Nigeria PLC, and Com Oil PLC. Industrial Goods Building Materials, CAP PLC, Dangote Cement PLC, and Lafarge Africa PLC. That sums up the 15 sectors in the Sectorial Leadership Awards for this year's Pearl Awards, the nominees. For the Market Excellence Award category, the nominees are Turnover Growth Award, Seplat Energy PLC, Veritas Capital Assurance PLC, and EcoBank Transnational Incorporated PLC. Earnings Yield Award, Mutual Benefits Assurance PLC, ASO Savings and Loans PLC, John Holt PLC. Return on Equity, Consolidated Allmarks Insurance PLC, Okomu Oil Palm PLC, Academic Press PLC. Dividend Yield Award, UBA PLC, NACO PLC, and GT Holding Co. PLC.